Hello everyone, welcome to my programming club. Today we will be solving another daily Leetcode challenge, and the challenge name is design HashMap. So you have to design a hash map without using any inbuilt hash tables. You have to implement following three functions or say methods. First will be your constructor of your uh, customized hash map or your user defined hash map. Then there will be three functions which HashMap generally supports, which is put function that will insert a key value mapping in the hash map. Then is the second function or say third function, get function, which will return you the value map to a particular key, and if there is no mapping of a value to a particular key, -1 will be returned to you. Okay, and then last method or function will be your remove function that will remove a key value mapping from your hash map. So let's have a look at the constraints. So the key and the value will range from 0 to 10 raised to power 6, and at most 10 raised to power 4 calls will be made. Combined, these three functions combined, put, get and remove. So to solve this particular problem, we have to observe that the maximum size of the maximum value of key and values is 10 raised to power 6, which can be easily accommodated in a integer array. And space complexity wise also, space complexity wise it will not be very much efficient, but time complexity wise, since we are using array, so random access will give us of one time complexity for those three functions. Which three functions I am talking about? These three functions: put, get, and the third one is remove. So you will get of one time complexity, order of one time complexity. So the number of collisions of hashes in this particular implementation will be 0, since each particular index, let me quickly change the color. Okay, it's red. Each particular index will represent your key, and the value stored at that index will be your value, or the value of element. Okay, and since 10 raised to power 6 plus 1 indices will be available to you, so there will be no collisions. So let's have a look at the implementation. So this is the implementation. The array will be used as your hash map. The keys will be your indices of the array, and the values will be the elements stored at those indices. So initially you will declare a key, then you will initially you will declare your map, and then you will initialize that map with size 10 raised to power 6 plus 1 to accommodate all the keys in zero based indexing. We are using one size extra. So to represent no mapping of a key value pair, -1 will be filled in the array. Since it's mentioned in this particular function's implementation that if there is no key value mapping, -1 should be returned. So then the implementation of these three functions becomes pretty much straightforward. For a particular key value mapping insertion, you will just put value at that particular index, key index, and to get a value at a particular key, you will return value stored at that particular index, which is the index will be your key. And to remove a key value mapping, you will insert -1 at key index in the given map array. So this is how we will be solving the problem. and the code will be available in 3 languages: Java, C++, and Python. If you are having any doubts, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer them. So thank you for watching. Thanks.